So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do is you can go ahead and attach out specific attachments to the tasks that you have created using Google Tasks as well. So over here you can see that I am in tasks.google.com right here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a specific task, let's say for example, over here onto, let's say, for example, right here on TutorTube task right here. And then around over here, I can click on the three dot button. And here you can see that add attachment is an option. So from here, you can go ahead and then link it out with the attachments or files that you have, let's say, for example, saved in your Google Drive right here. You can go ahead and insert, and that is inserted out right here. Or you can go around over here on to add attachments. And then around over here, you can go to, let's say, your computer as well right here, just like this, and attach out with whatever files you have right here in your Google Drive. You can go ahead and search right here as well and insert it out. So this is what you have, and then you can go ahead and insert it out right here, and everything is inserted right here. So these are the tasks that are, these are the task attachment, and as you click, it'll go ahead and then open it out. So as you go ahead and click outside, you can see this little attachment icon right here. And as you click, you will be able to see the link to the attachment. And if you want to go ahead and remove out the attachment, you can simply go ahead and remove it out right here, just like this as well. So that is basically how you can go ahead and attach out attachments to tasks from Google Drive in Google Tasks. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.